If you're nosy like me, this is the series for you. Welcome to Stitch Stories. This is the series where we have a chat with your favourite designers and creators, and we find out how they use digital embroidery, get a look around their studios and see how they work.
I'm here with Ella, and she's going to talk us through her project today.
I'm a textile design student here at BCU. I'm in my last year and I'm graduating in July.
What is your background in embroidery?
I've always been an embroiderer since day one. I did textiles at GCSE, A-level, but I didn't start my digital embroidery journey until last year.
So talk me through your collection.
The inspiration for my project was this fairground near where I live. Spent a lot of time there. It's very nostalgic. Reminds me of my childhood, and I wanted to create a proudness. Like fairgrounds and heritage, I feel like it's a dying thing.
Yeah. How do you go about designing?
I'm not a very good drawer, so I love taking photos. I like gathering my primary research that way, and then I will go into Wilcom after and then kind of mess around with. I do all my drawing through samples, through trial and error.
What's your favourite techniques of Wilcom?
So I have used applique the most. I know that's quite a boring answer, but the most interesting technique I've used is probably the sequins.
Yeah, I'm obsessed with
It's quite fun to digitize.
I've never actually done the sequins. I definitely want to try them out now I've seen you do them.
Yeah,
so fun. I was going to ask you about your favourite tool in Wilcom.
I would definitely say the freehand drawing, because I feel like it makes my work a lot more personable. Gives it a bit more character. I wanted to create like a hand-stitched feel through digital.
So why is it that you choose to use Wilcom?
I find that I can stitch something out and be drawing something as well. I can kind of get my ideas out a lot quicker. It saves that awkward time between drawing something and wanting to do something. You kind of just do it.
And just to round it up,
do you have any Wilcom hacks?
You know what, I do have a hack. When you want to create a repeat, I print out the production worksheet and I'll pin it to my fabric, frame up, and then it will match up the repeat perfectly.
Oh, that's so smart.